Hey beautiful, let's talk about your skin. It's the largest organ of your body and it deserves all the care and attention. Our skin is exposed to so much every day, especially pollution. The air around us is filled with harmful particles. Pollution is a silent thief. It sneaks up on us without warning. It robs your skin of its natural radiance. You might not notice it immediately, but over time the effects become visible. Tiny particles in the air settle on your skin. These particles are so small that they can penetrate deep into your pores, and they cause a lot of damage. This damage isn't just superficial. It can affect the deeper layers of your skin. This can lead to dullness, dryness, and premature aging. Your skin loses its youthful glow and becomes more prone to wrinkles. You deserve to have healthy and glowing skin. With the right care and protection, you can combat the effects of pollution and keep your skin radiant. Don't worry, there's a solution. Ayurveda can help protect your skin from the harmful effects of pollution. Ayurveda is an ancient Indian practice. It focuses on holistic wellness, and it uses natural ingredients to restore balance and vitality. Ayurvedic herbs and remedies are known for their potent antioxidant and detoxifying properties. They fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote skin cell regeneration. Let's discover some easy-to-make Ayurvedic recipes for radiant skin. These natural remedies have been used for centuries to enhance beauty and promote healthy skin. By using simple, everyday ingredients, you can create effective skincare solutions right at home. Cleansing mask recipe, asterisk. Mix sandalwood powder and rose water to create a paste. This combination is known for its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, making it perfect for soothing irritated skin. This mask gently removes impurities and soothes the skin, helping to reduce redness and blemishes. Apply it evenly on your face and leave it on for about 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water, leaving it refreshed and revitalized. Your skin will feel softer and look more radiant after just one use. Protective cream recipe asterisk. Combine almond oil, beeswax, and a few drops of lavender essential oil. This blend is excellent for nourishing and hydrating the skin. The beeswax acts as a natural barrier, locking in moisture while the almond oil provides deep hydration. Lavender essential oil adds a calming scent and has antiseptic properties. This cream creates a protective barrier on the skin, making it ideal for daily use, especially in harsh weather conditions, shielding it from environmental aggressors. With regular use, your skin will not only look healthier, but also feel more resilient and protected against the elements. For those seeking a convenient way to incorporate Ayurveda into their skincare routine, Hayagreeva Naturals offers a seamless solution. Our products are designed to bring the ancient wisdom of Ayurveda into your daily life, making it easy to achieve healthy, glowing skin. Hayagreeva Naturals. Skincare is an excellent choice. Our range includes everything from cleansers and toners to moisturizers and serums, all formulated with natural ingredients. Our products are carefully crafted with authentic Ayurvedic ingredients, such as turmeric, neem, and aloe vera, known for their healing and rejuvenating properties. Free from harsh chemicals and toxins, our skincare line ensures that your skin receives only the best nature has to offer. Want daily skincare and hair care tips? Subscribe to our newsletter, stay updated with the latest in natural beauty trends, and get exclusive access to expert advice. We share secrets for enhancing your natural beauty. From DIY face masks to holistic wellness tips, our newsletter is your go-to resource. Remember, beautiful, your skin is precious. Treat it with the love and care it deserves. Embrace the power of Ayurveda and integrate its holistic practices into your lifestyle. Whether it's through mindful meditation or using our skincare products, let Ayurveda guide you to a balanced and radiant life. Let your inner radiance shine through with Hayagreeva Naturals. Discover the true essence of beauty with our Ayurvedic skincare.